Either you don't know how I feel or you do not care about me, and you should stop and realize that I do love you more and more every day, and I need you to think about right now and all the things that we've been through. Everything is perfect when we're alone. It's like the world could stop turning, we never would know. Need you to say you're okay and you need me, 'cause I need you so bad. Why can't you believe me? Feel deep inside that you know what to do, and no matter what you choose, I will always belong to you and me together. You and me forever will be, you and me together. And I know someday fate will say okay.